Hello everyone and welcome back to another one of my YouTube videos. So in today's video we're going to be fitting these. I'll show you what else I bought, but in today's video it's just been these. Basically, to fit wiper arms for a car I need to find specialist wipers, which you can't find anymore really, bayonet wipers. I mean you can find them but they're getting quite rare and there's just a bit of pain in the backside really. You can't really walk into a shop to get them. They're already special order. You can order them online. And the problem is that if you're driving out and you need a wiper, you're a bit stuck. So I found this very helpful little site online, and they specialise in MR2 parts, MR2 mods. Obviously this car, this Space Cruiser, is of the same age as an MR2 Mark 1. So they share pretty much the same wiper blades, and they've got two little holes in them, which are sort of made from the factory, two little screw holes where you can fit a little adapter kit from the factory. Obviously you can't get the kit anymore, but there's an MR2 based site that sells the adapter kit. So I went on to that website, bought myself some MR2 wiper blades, and wiper blade adapters. So they go from the bayonet type, like they screw in just here, and then you've got a little clip just here, and it clicks on embodied wiper blade. I've got myself two of them. So I've got two wiper blades. I need two of them, like my one lucky, which is one wiper blade, nice and easy. I have to buy two. So yeah, so this is like just a little parts review video. So I've got them on my little shelf here. Lovely, brilliant. I mean, who? Oh, little tissue got my arse. Nice, brilliant. I mean, I can lay back, done lay on tissue, you know, on my little shelf. Brilliant. Why is it, you know, and if I want more light, voila, actually there you go. Protection light roof, you know, look at that. Quite easy, and probably see me better. Not that you want to see me better, but you know you can. Where did I put my knife? Yep, just here. And here we go. We have an accelerator pedal over there, my storage area. Yep, so we've got an accelerator pedal here, and you may ask why I bought an entire accelerator pedal. Well, if I see down there, the accelerator pedal on this one is one, missing the rubber, and two, right at the very top where you see that kind of change the colour, so often it's bent. It's actually somehow actually bent, so can't really use that pedal. I mean I can, but then I've got to unbend it, find a rubber for, and easy said than done. So new accelerator pedal, job done. Comes with the rubber, perfect. Let me already open here. Cut that, cut there. And round. Cut on this as well. Perfect. Oh, nearly hit the use of the cardboard. Right, we're almost there. I'm holding it. What do you think of this? I'm holding my hand. Oh. Look at that. Nice mode-free steering wheel. It's lovely, that, isn't it? Good. Still a bit warm, but what can you do? Put my cardboard in my storage area. Definitely for the moment. Right, now back away from. Yeah, so. Bought myself a steering wheel. It actually looks like you've got places in there to have a knob wheel put in. But no, the reason why I bought this steering wheel, you may think, oh, what's wrong with the one in the car already? I think the one on the car is actually a bit less warm than one this actually. Look at this one, this one's quite, yeah, I'm just saying this one's probably a lot more warm than that one. But the problem is with that one, and I'll show you, let me turn you around. anything on my storage shelf, like that. Hopefully you can see, I can't really see, but the bottom of this is one, the mould on the cinder cap. Yeah, you can probably clean the cinder cap and that'd be fine. But the second problem, the biggest one, if I hang you down a bit better, is the little knob on the side. Well, I'm sure that would be a great little addition. You can spin the steering wheel around. I don't really use knobs. Yeah, obviously if I take the knob off, when that's been on the car for so long, the steering wheel, I'll hide it out, will recover from taking it off, and that mark will be in there permanently. And even if I did use knobs, I'm right-handed, so that means I'd have to have my hand on the wrong side of the steering wheel to turn it, and for me that should no good. I kind of fear it wouldn't work out for me having no knob. And also, well, I've got two knee. I only show you one because you don't need to see two wobblies. I've got these Bosch SP16s. Oh, look at them. I believe they're the right size blade, 16-inch. Actually, no, I think these are 15s on the car, but you can't get 15-inch blades anymore. But yeah, so after you look here inside now, you've got different fitting types, but the bayonet is not one of them. After you can't get bayonet fitting, so I said, which is there you come in. Open. You know you use this because I normally open stuff and fling it everywhere. I don't really want to fling these around because I kind of need them. Yeah, it's actually quite nice little quality actually. It's quite, it's not flimsy, you know, quite thick metal really. It's nice. But yeah, so after what you do, you push this up like that. After that, slide through, connect into them. I'm not actually going to do it because I need to take this off still, but and then put it somewhat in. Make me struggling with something as simple as a wiper. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, there you go. That'll do. Don't want to put it in like your foot fully yet. So, and then the arm, we could use these holes. So the blade would sit a little bit further down than it would have done originally. So I'm not sure how that will competent for wiping, but yeah, might be actually might be better if it's 16-inch blade because then might even better go 17 if possibly if it's sitting further down. Because I mean, you have, I don't know yet, we'll find out. But yeah, two of them. And that'll probably be my next video actually, fitting these, because I really want to get these fitted and see how well it looks. Yeah, so that's them. Again, your Bosch wiper blades. Quite a nice little blade, mini blade in at the end of the day. Yeah, had a few people saying when I got a car show, I wanted to actually fit new rubber to the blade on there. Really, unfortunately, with the plastic in the blade was all broken, and yeah, you can't really use them arms. So had it. So much easier just to fit the kit and change whole wiper arms when necessary. Just quicker, and then fit a new rubber. Okay, so that's my show me, tell me, if you like to call it, all the parts I'm going to be fitting to this car today, hopefully, when I get around doing it. Yeah, so first thing first, I think the wiper blade is nice, easy, quick win, really. It's not really going to require too much work. You just need to get a thread chaser and clean up the holes before I put the screws in. If you look here, 41 pack fully open. Okay, I'm still battling my code a little bit. Yeah, they've got little lock washers. I believe they still want to little lock washers and the screws. Go to they threaded, and you need to make sure the threads are perfectly clean before they go in. And actually, got a bit of Loctite as well. Actually, so I'm going to put a bit of Loctite red on them. Not much, but it's just a little bit to keep them in place. Because you don't want them to come out. Okay, so next one. It's just very simple. Screw them on, and there you go on like that. Perfect. Time to do this one. I'll do it off camera as well, but she's screwing them on, so I'll do that off camera. Yeah, I can give them a little pin as well. And I put the blade on like that temporarily. I can go back down to the shop tomorrow and change the wide blade. I bought two 16-inch washer blades, and yeah, the blades on the car are obviously old and weird sizes because they're old. So the driver's one is a 17.5-inch blade, and the passenger one is a 16.5-inch blade, and it's a 16-inch. One hit 16, so it's quite small. And then not only that, now because with the little wiper on kit, the position of the blade has changed. The 16-inch, if I put a 16-inch, or if I could even get a 16.5-inch blade on them, or 17.5-inch blade, it actually changed the position of where the blade hit in the first place. So what I'm going to do, I'm debating 18, obviously if anything now got 16, 17, 18 for example, but a 19-inch blade would fit fine as well. So I'm thinking, do I go for a 19-inch blade? Obviously a bit bigger, to clean a lot more of the screen, obviously really big screen to clean, isn't it? So, but I don't want to put too much strain on the wiper mechanism. So I'm thinking, do I just go with 18, and then next time I'm going to change, I can possibly get 19s if I see fit, or I can even get them later on down the line. Not really any major rush. I mean, I've got the blade on the back as well, which I better use. Some, get new one for whatever. Not a big deal. Actually, I have to double check. I might have to get a kit for that as well. So no doubt that would be a older style wiper as well. No. Yeah, so okay, the kit's on, that's fine, that's all done. But yeah, a little bit further to go, still a little bit further. Like I said, tomorrow I'll go down and get the correct kit for it, the correct blade. Obviously now I can use the quick clip, whatever they call it. Use that on it now, and yeah, I can use modern blades on my space cruiser now. Quite nice. So yeah, that'll get done, and yeah, I'll go with 18. Obviously, not too much bigger than what they call it now, but like I said, just because I don't really want to put too much strain on the wipers, on the motor, and especially the driver's side one, because the metalwork obviously a bit rusty underneath, and you can see it twisting. So too much strain on that may actually potentially break them out, and I don't want to do that, especially one, before let MOT, and two, before I'm ready to take it out and get that panel repaired. So no, put me in quite a bad place at the minute, which I don't want. So yeah, I'll go with 18 for now, and then get it done. Because the only other problem is, I tried to take the arm off to repaint the whole arm, and yeah, they don't really want to come off, and I can't force them off with the broken or the weak panel. So I shall leave them on for now, and then when the car goes to the body shop, hopefully they can get them off and paint them at the same time. But yeah, no, so moving in the right direction. Got the steering wheel done, which you see in the last video. Or I don't know which order they come out of, but either way, the steering wheel's been done. Now the wipers have been done, and from the point of recording this, I should now be working on the accelerator pedal. That needs changing the motor. We've got 3 things closest to having the car nearly MOT, or nearly 3 things closest to having the car MOT worthy. So, I mean, the steering wheel technically wasn't a MOT failure, but it was filthy, had a knob on it, and it needed changing. So that's nice. So like it's nice to get in the car and hold on to it now. Yeah, so nearly got 3 things done. Obviously, by the time I'll put this video up in a couple of seconds for you, but obviously for me it'll be tomorrow. It'll be tomorrow before I pick it up, and yeah, so I'm gonna leave you hanging for a second or two, and then yeah, bring you back in a minute. Okay, yeah, new wiper blade. As you can see, 18-inch ones. Yeah, I can probably get away with 19 if you see the old wipe mark along the edge now. Okay, so thank you for watching. Yeah, just a quick update on the wiper blade. They're now done, mounted, and the car now has working wiper blades. Yeah, no new problem with this green wash. It doesn't work. You press the button for the front green wash and the rear green wash works, not the front one. And then you press the button for the rear green wash and the rear green wash works. So yeah, I need to figure out why when you press the button the front green wash doesn't work and the wipers don't wipe either. So I'm not too sure that, but yeah, find out on that one, and that would be a different video. Okay, because that needs to work for the MOT. So that would be for like a different video, but for today's video, that's obviously the wipers done. So we've got 3 bits done out of the way, ready for the MOT. Still got a long way to go. Like I need to rebuild, not rebuild, but yeah, obviously do some work to the engine, obviously the carb kit, fuel lines and stuff like that, you know, all little bits and bobs they need to be done. Spark plugs, you know, you name it, HD leads, make it, you know, nice and fresh underneath. But for the next part of the video, that'll be it. I'm gonna end the video here with new rubber leads on the car, and yeah, I just have to get another one of them finished for the rear wiper blade, and obviously new rubber blade for the back as well. But yeah, I have to wait for a different day. But thanks for this video. I'll see you later.